Hello, namaste and welcome. This is day 1 introduction to C# programming language with variables and data types. Let's head to introduction. Today's focus is on the powerful C# programming language. We are diving into the essential, exploring variables and data types with real world examples. So without any further ado, let's get started. We will begin by installing Visual Studio IDE, our go-to tool for development. Let's open Microsoft Store and search for Visual Studio. Here we go. We need Visual Studio Community 2022. Okay, and this is already installed in my computer. Let's head to software. Search for Visual Studio Visual Studio, and I have Visual Studio 2022. This is the latest version. You will get this interface. Don't worry about this interface. Just look at right side of your panel and look for create new project. Click here. Here is an console app, empty project, and Windows desktop application. This is based on C++, and we are learning C#, so we have to click on this and next. Absolutely, we are printing hello world for the first time, so let's write here hello world, and this is the location for your project. You should manage your files project by project, so create new folder and save it. That's it. Click next. This is framework version for your project. You can see here .NET 6.0 is long-term support and .NET 7.0 is standard term support. You can select long-term support and hit the final button. Great, this is creating your project. Now we have some lines of code. Just select all and delete it. Don't worry about it. Let's begin with first code. Just write what I am writing. We'll talk about this later. So this is our first programming. After writing this, just hit F5 button to get output, and this is compiling your result, and here we get hello world. We got the result successfully without any errors, and let's enter to close it back. You do not need to worry about this line, we will talk it later. This initial programming is a crucial step. It not only say hello world but also introduce how C# handles data. Investing your time now means gaining a skill crucial in manipulation and managing data. The example we have seen illustration the foundation for more complex programs. Thank you for joining us on this hands-on first day. Stay tuned as your C# journey progress, unveiling more exciting concepts.